this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a real easy type of Christmas tree on this bottle. Right now I'm kind of focused on some holiday designs. So I'm going to be using a fan brush. It's a number 2 fan brush with the Dewberry U Pro and a number 4 Amagic round brush. Paint I'm using, of course, is all FolkArt paint, combination of multi-surface and enamels. I am using burnt umber, burnt sienna, and then my favorite greens, thicket, forest moss, classic green, and then wicker white. Alright, this is very, very simple. I am going to stick my round brush into my browns. And I did this earlier with a flat brush, so you can do it with a flat brush very simply. But I'm going to go ahead and start pretty high up, just making my trunk. Now, you again can use any brush you want. I'm just going to go ahead and use the round brush for this demo, even though I use the flat brush for the painted version on my paper. Very simple. So this is my trunk. Then I'm going to take my cute little fan brush and I'm just going to stick it into a variety of my greens. I'm just sticking it down in there and I have my variety of greens. Alright, so I'm not going to even allow this to dry. I'm just going to start pressing it down and then I'm going to go into kind of a Z shape as I come down. And I can keep loading my brush as I'm coming down, adding more color to it, making it a little bit wider as I come down. Now, you could do, on this, you could actually do maybe a variety of trees and not just a single tree, but I just kind of wanted it to be just pretty, I don't want to say sparse, but I guess maybe even that is a good word for it. But just have it to be not real full of a design. Just kind of simple. Maybe that's what I'm looking for. I'm more of a simplistic type design. So then what I'll do, just kind of wipe this brush off. And I'm going to come in here and stick it into my greens. Because then I'm going to do is come up here to the top and just work in trying to create a top for it. And I'm just kind of tapping it in. And then I'm just going to come through with the colors. Just kind of fill it in a little bit. In these areas and the branches. Or not branches, but the, going over the center, I can't even think of that, the main stick here, trunk stick. Goodness. Losing it. And you can, create it to go out even a little further. Just filling it in. And you can just see how easy this is to do. And you can fill it in more with your fan brush too as you go. That's up to you. But I'm just doing just some basic hits like that. Then what you can do is pick up your brush, come back in, and I'm going to stick it down into the white. And I'm going to come back in here and just kind of just quickly go back and forth because I want it to have it look like it has some snow on it. Not completely full of snow. It just had maybe a light snowfall. And that kind of fills it in some, as you're going along, because I have, picking up some of the green. And so that kind of fills it in. As you can see. And it's quite simple. And you can even come down in here and cover up the trunk. Again, if you need to go back over it because you want to add some more greenery to it, that's fine, or fill it in. However you want to do it. You know, always leave that up to you as a creator. But I think that's pretty. Just very simple, very quick to do. And there you go. There you have it. And if you wanted to put some other ones in, you could do that. I'm just going to leave it as a very simple design. That's what I'm looking for. And then I can even just kind of tip up in here if I want to. Or I can use my round brush. But I think, yeah, that's cute. And then I'll probably put a light in it. I could even do another one on the back side. Or you can even, if you wanted to, because I forgot to mention this, that I base coated this bottle with this silver. It's the enamel glitter, and it's the silver. So I did that. I believe I put 2 coats on this one also, and then I then painted the tree over the top of it. Again, just kind of fill it in. If you need any more space to, you know, kind of work on, you can just go back over it and do it. Pretty simple. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And before you leave, if you would share this video on your social network with all your family and friends, I would appreciate it. And again, just another quick video to show you another design that I'm planning to do for my holiday designs. Thanks so much for taking the time to stop by my channel. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy and have a good one.